So first, I'll give you example from traditional programming. This way you will be able to understand better what's actually machine learning is. So let's say you will develop an application which will decide if the email is spam or not. As a traditional software engineer, you will have to define your rules manually. So you will have to say if email contains, I don't know, win money, or if it contains free offer, then you will mark this email as a spam. And otherwise, you will not mark it as a spam. So if an email contains claim your price, your tool will not mark it as a spam because you did not really mention this rule. You only have mentioned two rules, which is win money and free offer. We can say that traditional programming means rules plus data, which equals to output. And this logic is not really good for our application because we cannot define all possibilities, all cases in just one if statement. It means this case is not actually reliable for us because we tell computer how to do it. Finally, to summarize the difference between of these two, let's look at the formulas. For the traditional programming, we give data and rules and we get output. But for machine learning, we give data and output, and machine learning is the one who decides what's the rule. So computer will be deciding if the email is spam or not, and he will define the criteria and rules. For the machine learning, we'll give examples, but programmers, they give rules. Basically, we can say that we tell computer what to learn in machine learning, not how to learn. If you have any question, feel free to drop in the comments. Now, let's look at the machine learning itself.